Hey everyone, I'm Brandon Montez and I'm the founder of the Norwood Community Library. The Norwood Community Library is an independent mutual aid approach to getting books to the people on a street level. We provide free books for anyone who's interested here in the Bronx.
Free books. Free books. Take whatever you want. You like Dr. Seuss? That's all yours.
Born and raised in the Bronx all day. When I was a kid, I had a pretty strict mom, losing dad and everything. We lived in a rough neighborhood, but I was always allowed to go to the library. For a long time, we didn't have an independent bookstore in the Bronx, and I thought, what does that say about our relationship with reading? So I thought I'd, help in a little way. I had some extra books. I met some other people who had some extra books, and we just started putting it out there. I've been doing it since August 2018. The initial reaction was confusion, but then also positivity. Some people were wondering, why are you doing this? Or what if the police approach you? Or, why are these books free? But I would just explain that it's free because I got them for free. And it's also free because I care. And it will always be free. And we just want to get the Bronx reading. Education is a fantastic intervention. And so, I just want to encourage more people to read and more people to explore their curiosity, through the gift of books.
We also have the Norwood Community Library sandwich. Is at this bodega. I would say if you're trying to work in the community, it's great to work with local businesses. And this place is nice enough to promote what I do as well.
I would say that negative stigma of the Bronx is based in racism, based in white supremacy, and that's part of why the Norwood Community Library has given out anti-racist books when it can, because we have a thriving community here. We're a community full of readers. We're more than just the zoo and Yankee Stadium. We have a whole borough. There's 1.5 million people here. We have our whole, our own ecosystem over here in the Bronx. We have, the biggest parks in the city are right here. There's so much to see. And I get that Manhattan's the center of the universe and maybe Brooklyn's the trendiest place in the universe, but the Bronx is the birthplace of a music genre that has influenced literally the entire world. And also, we've got a lot of great literature history here too. James Baldwin went to high school here. Edgar Allan Poe used to live here. Audre Lorde did a lot of great things. And some of what I do as well, in addition to giving out free books, is I post quotes in the neighborhood from different Bronx writers to get people excited to read. There's one over here I could show you. So this is a post by Nicholas Amor. It says, "New York gave me a sense of belonging that is not constricted by nationalism." So we have a whole thriving community here, and I'd like to show that with the free books. I get all my books donated to me by other readers in the Bronx, who I schedule meetups with, and I take what they give me, and a lot of the time there's great stuff. Anyone who reads books has a few books that they don't want anymore, and those books can find a new home with projects like these. And another reason why I like it is that with books finding new homes, these poor trees that died are finding more to do after that one read. I'm always out here either Saturday or Sunday. The day with the better weather usually gets it. I also always post the hours on our Instagram, Norwood Community Library. And if you'd like to donate books, we can schedule a meetup here in the Bronx through Instagram. If you'd like to reach out to me, that's the best way.